Hello everyone, so I am back with my readings. Now most of you all liked the way I did readings without the card 1, card 2, and so I will do that. And this is a special gift by a very beautiful person, a student of mine, Anamika. So this week whatever readings, all blessings go to her because she gifted me this card. I have been wanting to pick this card for a long time and she had sent me a surprise gift. So let's do the reading now. I have been wanting to bring a beautiful giveaway for my YouTube subscribers mainly before I start the reading for today. So I have been seeing for the past 2 weeks who have been regularly sending me liking the video and sending me the comments, leaving the comments on how they feel. So I shall look it out for another 1 or 2 weeks, and as a giveaway I am planning to bring in a 15-minute reading free for the person who has been, for three lucky people who have been regularly leaving comments on my channel and have been following this channel of mine. So let's start with the reading. Okay, today's day is going to be workloaded. Too much of work, too much of things at hand. You will not know where to start, where to end. You will not know how to finish your work, but I'm sure you're going to manage it because I see this person as a person who's managing. He's already finished 2 things. He knows the third thing is getting over, and he's looking out as to what else can be done, that his work is happening the way he wants it to happen. Now coming with this beautiful card set. Okay, so as I said, no, the answers you need are coming. So whatever you're planning is going to happen, and it's going to happen the way you want it. So you don't have to worry at all. So today's day, whatever you plan, however you plan, is going to be in your favor, and it is going to be beautiful, and it is going to be fruitful. This is another card I wanted to do a reading for love. You make a better person. So today what the card is saying is, because of the love or because of your family, you are a better person today. So don't forget to thank them. Give them the gratitude that because of them you are what you are today, and in that ways God will bless you with loads and loads of happiness and loads of abundance. I want to bring in one last card here. Sorry, it got paused by mistake. I'm bringing in one last card here for today's reading. That's a blessing card. So use your mind, work nicely, and plan your day properly, and I'm sure the day is going to be blessed for you and you're going to enjoy your day today. Have a blessed day.